I had a telephone call from a client that had a traffic violation in New York State, and they were asking whether or not it is a good idea to hire an attorney to resolve their traffic issue. In this particular case is a pretty large speeding ticket. And my answer is that it's much better to have an attorney represent you for a number of different reasons. First, you're too busy to go and deal with this. Multiple appearances in court. They're usually at night. They're not very convenient, and there can be several different court appearances. Additionally, you want to obtain the absolute best result possible, and frankly, you're not going to be able to do that without an experienced traffic court attorney. There are consequences here. Sure, on the first level, you've got the traffic violation itself and what you're going to have to pay to the court on that. Now, and certainly my goal is to get the least fine possible. But I think more importantly are a couple of different things, and that is number one, points on your license. You have to go and be careful of that. Most people know that if they have 11 points, okay, they're definitely going to lose their license. But actually, after 9, it is possible for Department of Motor Vehicles to pull your license. Now, there are some additional exceptions, and that is maybe you only have 3 speeds, but not 11 points. It's 3 speeds alone, and they can pull your license. So the tickets, the points are very important, and that's just going and dealing with your license. Not to mention your insurance, because after you go and have usually 5 points on your license, your insurance company is going to at least increase your premium. Another thing to consider about the points is the duration. A lot of people that I talk to assume that the duration for insurance is the same as New York State. It isn't. Actually, insurance is twice as long as New York State. New York State is 18 months, and your insurance is 3 years. And if you drive a lot and you've had a history of speeding tickets, that's a pretty risky move to not have an attorney represent you because of all of the things that I mentioned.